update on the equity markets. The Nifty opened with a 30-point gap up today and thereafter continued to inch higher throughout the day. It ended the day with a 153-point gain in today's trading session. It is also closed at a lifetime high. The market breadth was positive with 1000 advances to 535 declines. From the Nifty 50 pack, HDFC Limited, Infosys, Reliance, TCS, L&T, GAIL were some of the big gainers in trade today. On the other side, Bharti, ITC and ACC closed with minor losses. In today's trading session, we saw activity more on the mid cap and the small cap front. To mention a few, the Reliance AD pack stocks closed with almost 5% or more gains in today's trading session. Now we move on to the daily chart. On the daily chart, we can observe that the Nifty has closed in the positive today. Today was the fourth consecutive day where the Nifty has closed positive. It has been riding higher ever since it has broken out of the 8180 high, which was the previous all-time high. Now we feel that in today's trading session it has almost achieved the equality target of the previous wave. Now this as per the Elliott wave principle, wave 3 is generally an extended wave, and today today the equality target of the previous wave has come. That was 8330, which is today's high. So the 100% or the equality target of the previous wave has been achieved in today's trading session. However, generally wave 3 are generally extended waves. So we feel that the positive momentum should continue on the upside in the coming trading sessions. Overall, our short-term target for the Nifty comes or is placed at around 8500, which is the equality of this previous wave. So we feel that the positive momentum is still there still left in the Nifty. So traders are requested or advised to hold on to their long positions. Now moving on to the hourly charts, we can observe that the Nifty has been trading pretty smartly or pretty in a upward sloping channel. Currently it is trading near the upward or the upper end of this upward sloping channel. It is possible that the Nifty might just become sideways or trade in a range in Monday or Tuesday, a couple of days, just to cool off the smart rally which we have been seeing since past 4 trading sessions. Generally, when such a upward sloping channel move is there, in wave 3 generally we see the upper end of this channel being breached on the upside, and then we get a sideways consolidation. It is possible that on Monday we open on a positive note or a gap up opening and then become sideways. So this is all as per the Elliott wave principle, and this is right from the textbook. We see that generally these upward sloping channel in wave 3 are breached on the upside. So we maintain a positive stance on Nifty for a target of 8500 on the upside. Now moving on to the chart of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty also has closed with gains today. Since past couple of trading sessions, it was trading in a sideways manner or in a range bound manner, and today it has opened on the upside with a gap up and continued to gain strength throughout the day. Now we feel that the positive momentum in Bank Nifty shall continue and it will trade in sync with the Nifty. We feel on the upside 17,200 and 17,350 are crucial resistances. On the downside 16,925 and 16,825 are crucial supports. So overall friends, our view on the Nifty and Bank Nifty remain positive. Crucial supports for Nifty are placed at 8265 and 8198. On the upside 8380 and 8500 are crucial resistances. So that's all for the day. Thank you.